Hey Patricia, how's it going? Thank you very much for opening the video. This is Lucas Cembreros, and I was talking today with Ivana about this short video that I put together for you of three little things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating your competition online. In this case, San Diego Podiatry Group and Food Doctor San Diego in La Jolla. As you see, when you look for a podiatrist in San Diego, these guys are at the very top here and here as well, and then the Food Doctor San Diego as well over here. But you could be there really easily and secure those top spots by implementing these three little things, okay? Basically, I'm gonna make it short because I don't want to waste your time. Basically, I want to tell you about the three main things that Google search engine uses for to rank a website at the very top. And this is the content, backlinks, and citations. As you can imagine, content is everything that is on your website. And I want to say that you have a really good looking website already, but you don't have much content in it. So content is all the text, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, okay? Everything is content. As you see your competition here, your website don't look as good. They have a little bit more content, but not too much either, okay? So just by implementing a little bit, usually Google likes to see about 1500 to 2000 words of content on the front page. Just with that, you will be beating them with no problem in that aspect. Okay. Also, you want to put some keywords on that content, like podiatrist in San Diego, food doctor in San Diego, uh, foot and ankle doctor. Well, all the most we'll make a research and with the most search terms related to podiatrist in San Diego, you want to drop those several times throughout that content. Okay, so Google search engine can find you when somebody look for it. Then second thing is backlinks, which is basically your website mentioned in another website. So when somebody clicks in it, it takes you back over here. Okay. And this works like a popularity contest. Google likes to see a lot of backlinks on your website. Okay. They want to see a lot of websites vouching for you and putting those links, but they're not equal. Okay. So you always want to focus on getting backlinks from other websites that are um, medical related websites. Okay. Because when it's within the same niche, that gives you way more power and trust on Google size. So with the content and the backlinks, you'll be up here and up here. Sorry, up here in no time. Here is with the next thing that I'm gonna tell you about. You will be up here in no time. And to check the citations, sorry, the backlinks, we go to Ahrefs. Is the tool that we use. As you see here, I can see that you have 14 referring domains. That means that 14 websites out there had a link to your website when you click on it. But if you see these guys, San Diego Podiatry Group over here, they have 28, and then these other guys, they have just 8. But probably they're stronger if they're ranking higher than you. As I said, not all backlinks are created equal, but the easiest way to beat them on that aspect is just copy them. Okay, you go through every single one of these websites and through every single one of these ones. You made a profile if you don't have it already, and you just drop a link to your website over there in your profile. So that way, Google will start giving you more trust and power, propelling your website all the way to the top. And then last thing I want to tell you about it's citations, which is what it gets you here. And a citation is basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. The good thing about this is that you can do it for free. All you need to do is find directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Angie's List, etc. Right? And just list your business information, your your name, address, phone number, all that. Right? And the thing is, you want to check how many citations your competition has, and you want to put at least like 100 more, 150 more. That way, you make sure that it's very hard for them when they realize that you stole that first spot and they start building more citations. It's very hard for them to ever catch up to you, okay? Because then you will be checking that on a regular basis, kind of thing. And so when they start, you start as well. So it's very hard for them to ever take that first spot from you. And let's make a little recap. You want to put like 1500 to 2000 words of content on your website, targeting those keywords that people are looking up the most. Then you want to build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying the backlinks of your competition and then adding some more on top. Because if these are good for them, they're good for you as well. Okay, so copying them will be good. And then the citations. Let's say they had 150, I would go maybe for 300. And the same, you can just go copy all the ones they had and then add some extra on top. And that's it. That's it. If you like what you see in this video, please feel free to take this information and apply yourself. But if you want me to help you get in there or do it for you, just give me a call or send me an email so we can talk. All right. I would really appreciate if you don't mind, give me a little bit of feedback on this video because I do these videos for free and I really appreciate it. Have a great day.